Today, I am reviewing Sonos Arc Ultra Soundbar. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Sonos Arc Ultra Soundbar is designed for those who want nothing less than a premium home theater experience. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't your average soundbar. At over 46 inches wide, it makes a statement with its elegant, modern design. The minimalist look means it blends effortlessly with any living room setup, whether placed on a tabletop or mounted beneath your TV. Despite its size, it maintains a clean and refined profile that complements rather than distracts from your entertainment space. Where the Sonos Arc Ultra truly shines is in its 9.1.4 surround sound experience with Dolby Atmos. This level of audio immersion is rarely found in a standalone soundbar. The all-new acoustic architecture, combined with sound motion technology, projects sound in a way that fills every inch of the room. Whether you are watching an action movie with explosive effects, a dialogue-heavy drama, or simply listening to your favorite playlist, the Arc Ultra places sounds with pinpoint accuracy, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Dialogue clarity is another area where the Sonos Arc Ultra impresses. With AI-powered speech enhancement, the soundbar can detect human voices and elevate them so you never miss a word, even when background noise is loud. This feature is a game-changer for anyone who has struggled to catch dialogue in movies or shows. Combined with a frequency response of up to 20,000 Hz, the soundbar ensures crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep bass tones that create a full and balanced sound signature. Connectivity is seamless, offering Bluetooth, HDMI eARC, Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect. This means whether you want to stream music wirelessly, connect to your TV, or sync across multiple devices, the Sonos Arc Ultra can handle it all. The setup process is also remarkably simple. With just a single HDMI eARC connection and step-by-step guidance from the Sonos app, you'll be up and running in minutes. The app even allows you to fine-tune the sound with TruePlay technology, which adjusts the audio to match the acoustics of your specific room. Control options are another highlight. You're not limited to just one method of interaction. You can use your existing TV remote, the Sonos app, touch controls on the soundbar, or even voice commands through Sonos Voice Control and Amazon Alexa. This flexibility ensures a smooth and effortless experience, no matter your preference. For those seeking even more powerful audio, the Sonos Arc Ultra can be expanded into a full surround sound system. By adding the Sonos Sub and Era 300 rear speakers, you can create the ultimate Dolby Atmos setup. This modular approach gives you the freedom to start with the Arc Ultra on its own and later expand as your budget or space allows. Additionally, if you already own other Sonos speakers, you can integrate them throughout your home to enjoy synchronized music in multiple rooms. In terms of everyday use, the Sonos Arc Ultra is versatile enough to handle just about everything. It's fantastic for movie nights, gaming sessions, parties, or even background music while working or entertaining guests. The soundstage remains wide and consistent, whether you're sitting directly in front of the soundbar or off to the side. At 12.7 pounds, it's solidly built, yet still easy enough to move if you decide to rearrange your setup. Overall, the Sonos Arc Ultra Soundbar with Dolby Atmos is a premium investment, but it delivers a truly cinematic audio experience that few soundbars can match. Its elegant design, superior sound quality, AI-driven dialogue clarity, and extensive connectivity options make it a top choice for anyone serious about upgrading their home entertainment system. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or simply someone who values great sound, the Sonos Arc Ultra is a product that will elevate every moment of your entertainment.